Hi guys, it's me UB Programmer and welcome to the R programming series. And in this lecture, we're gonna talk about scatterplot in R with ggplot, the famous package for data visualization. Right? And if you are enrolled in any bachelor or master program, you can contact me on this WhatsApp or mail me at this Gmail to discuss about your coursework and projects you are working on. Great, and let's get started with our scatter plots. So I want to obviously load my data or load my package, right? And how I will do that, ggplot2, just run this line, you got your package installed and load. Yeah, for install you go to install.packages and package name, right? Great. And I will use qplot for just basic scatter plot. Then we will do advanced visualization also in this course, right? And I will just uh, specify my data frame from which I have to include the data in our plots, right? So data is the df, and df is the health parameters related to heart disease. So what df tells some health parameters, and in the end it tells hd, heart disease or not, right? So no is like you don't have heart disease, and y is like you have heart disease. Great. And let's just pick out some variables for a scatter plot. So let's say I want to plot scatter plot between this cholesterol level and this thallic variable, which is heart rate maximum achieved by the person. So yeah, let's do that. Just try to get some domain knowledge whenever you are working with the data, right? So it's kind of helped you with your analysis, right? So I will just say x will be my thallic values and y will be cholesterol values, right? And let's just plot it. Let me make it bigger so that we can see. So you can see we cannot establish higher positive relation between it, right? So it's not like who have more heart rate achieved will have more cholesterol, but in some cases yes. So it's kind of 50%, right? Positive correlation. Okay, great. But how we can get more insights from this chart, right? So let me just give it a color parameter and say HD, which is heart disease or not. Let's run this out now, and you can see. And let's for better visibility, let's increase the size as 3 and let's run it now. Okay, so what does it tell now, right? We can see we got a kind of cluster here of red values, which is when you don't have a heart disease. So what this stage tells is like that's maybe the normal, more of a normal kind of position. So when your heart rate max achieved is only above than 150 or between 160-70, and the cholesterol level is up to 300, or I kind of don't have much knowledge about these parameters, but what the data says is like where I'm circling my mouse cursor is the normal position where you don't have a mostly you don't have a heart disease. So you can get insights from already, right, from this data. And you can do many more with the visualization with this ggplot. Many things in this package are like done automatically, like this grid, uh, these labels, x and y labels. You can add titles also, like there are many more, right? Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Take care.